here, my experience here with Chiranjeevi Garu. I went to the blood bank, and only from Chiranjeevi Garu's blood bank, I got this idea. And of course, because of you, you gave me the power, you gave me the courage, you gave me all the strength to start Agaram Foundation. And because of you, we have 8,000 plus first generation graduates. It's because of you. 5, 6 years back, I was in US to as a fundraiser for Agaram Foundation. More than 30% of the fund came from Telugu-speaking community for the Tamil students there. Even now, Telugu-speaking community people, my wonderful people with very, very kind heart, even now, till today, they all from US, they support Tamil students' education. So I have a lot of gratitude. I am thankful for life.